Good morning everyone. So today we are going to go to office together. What I mean to say by that is that today we are going to show you that how I go from my home station to my office station. By this way you will get to know how an average person in Japan as an Indian from home to office. So I have to do 3 norikais, like 3 transfers. So I'm going to show that to you. Please ignore the background because you know how messed up my room is. My voice sounds heavy, right? Because I still have cold and it has not cured yet. Today along the way I'm also going to take few questions which you have commented. Let's apply some ghee. My lips create problem for me, so I always apply ghee and then go out, because of which my lips shine a lot during the way. Okay, so first let me tell you verbally how we are going to go. First I'm going to ride on my bicycle, which is obvious because we have to go to the station. My station, which is Minami Nagareyama. From there we'll go to Shin Matsudo station, which is one station away from Minami Nagareyama. So from Shin Matsudo I'll go to Matsudo, and from Matsudo I will go to Ueno, and from Ueno we will go to Shimbashi. So this is the route from Minami Nagareyama to Shimbashi, and we are going to follow this route through JR, Japan Railways. Then we are going to change JR. We will board the Yurika Mome train, which is the automatic train, the driverless train, which we are going to board from Shimbashi station, and from Shimbashi station to Shibaura Futo we will go by Yurika Mome train. It is very important for you to get used to these names, because if you are ever planning to come to Japan, so you should know all these names, because if you come here for the first time and you say, oh, what kind of names are these, so it's better to have those names heard in advance. That's why I'm telling you in detail. So are you ready? So since I'm not well, I am taking this green curry ramen, and this is also some noodles for lunch, because I don't have energy to prepare food and take it to office. Otherwise I'm doing it every day. So headphones is very important in Japan trains, because whatever you want to watch in Japan trains, YouTube or whatever video, Instagram, then you have to watch that on your headphones. You cannot watch that on loudspeaker, otherwise you are disturbing other people, which means you are violating the main core value of Japan, like not to disturb others. This is their core value. So guys, since I'm not well, so it is important to think about others' safety. So I've taken the mask. I'm not wearing it right now, but when I'm going to board the train, I'm going to wear the mask so that others don't get infected with my problem. So Krishna commented in one of my videos and he is asking that bhai drone mila. So bro, no, nahi mila. I didn't get my drone, and maybe wherever it fell, so nobody went to the police station to return back the drone. Guys, it's too hot today and we have reached our, so that is Minami Nagareyama station. Before that I need to park my bicycle. So let's go to the restaurant where I every day park my bicycle. So I can park my bicycle here also, but this is chargeable. So I park at the area where it is free. If you have been following my vlogs, you know that where I park. This is where I park my bicycle. Shoo, somebody else has also parked it. Bicycle is parked, and now we are going towards the Minami Nagareyama station. Well, I am not going from there because it's too much sunlight there. So I am going from this side. You can see one Mal Gadi is going. And that is our station, Minami Nagareyama. So let me show you how the crowd is, because this is the peak time of the crowd. This is the ticket vending machine. So for platform number 2 we have to go left. I boarded Minami Nagarayama around 6:58 and this is 7:01 right now. So in 3 minutes I reached Shin Matsudo. Let me show you how Shin Matsudo station looks like.
L23.
Guys, I have reached Matsudo station and see, so I deboarded this train and I have to board the train which is behind this one. I have to board the train from that platform. So this station, Matsudo, is the crowdest station out of all the stations I have on my route. When you board the train from this station, there is no place to stand.
The next station is Ueno.
Right now I am at Ueno station and here you can see from Ueno to Shinagawa. It's only 2 stations and I have to go to Ueno Tokyo line Q1 like platform number 9. So let's go. Let me show you how Ueno station looks like. There we have to go downstairs because that's platform number 9. And from there, if we walk outside of the station, then we will reach to the Ueno Park. So let's go downstairs. Here you can see some tourists. We have reached Shimbashi station and now I'm going to show you how Shimbashi station looks like, and now we are going to leave the JR and going to board the Yurikamome automatic train. So from there you can see we are going to board the Yurikamome train, and this is how this area looks like. So this is the taxi stand. So all the people waiting for the taxi wait here, and if I show you, all the people are going towards office. That's why you will see a lot of people in formals. Let's take one question. So it's Valley says it's great that you have made this video about AI takeover. Maybe make next video about jobs that AI can't perform at all, like human surgery and many others. Thanks and best regards. So it's Valley, I would like to tell you that if you have not watched that Dr. X drama, if you watch that, in that drama they have shown that how AI is performing even surgeries, like the machines are performing the surgeries inside the stomach of the patient, and all the doctors were shocked to see. So AI can perform even human surgeries.
Robot surgeon.
My name is Kenji Kawashima. I founded a startup venture named Riverfield, and we are now developing a surgical robot.
Go and board Yurikamome train. So that's the bullet train. The ticket purchasing section for Yurikamome. But since we have the card, long route, right? So we can board either of the trains, this one also, this one also. Both will go to Shibaura Futo. So let's board this one because it's already ready. So yeah, let's board.
ドアが開きます。
Okay guys, so I have reached Shivapura station and now my office is nearby. So let's take one more question at last. So so he is asking that did you find the drone pro? So I didn't find it as I answered before. So and can you tell us about what you study and what you do in your free time? So during my free time I make videos and I edit videos, and also if you ask about what I study a little bit of UI path, the automation tool, and I also study Japanese because I am not very pro in Japanese, or otherwise I am talking to my friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video by watching my journey from home to office. So this is how every day I have to go to office. Problem is the transfers, the number of transfers that I have to do, and also the crowded trains. If these two problems are resolved, then it's easy to commute. Good that difficulties are there, because if things are easy, then anybody can do it. And if anybody can do it, then what's special in you? So yeah, on that note, I'd like to end today's video. If you liked it, like it, press the subscribe button and share it with others. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.